page 4 of activity 3. So we're still modeling the South American plate in this activity. The introduction talks about the name of the plate. The scientists have named all these major plates, and the name of the one we're working with is called the South American plate. It says Tectonic Explorer has been set up already for you to simulate a boundary. And so it's going to show you where earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. So we're going to go down here to Tectonic Explorer. And for this one, let's go ahead and just press start. So this is modeling a divergent boundary. And I'm just going to let it run for a little bit. A divergent boundary is one where plates are spreading apart. In this case, it's two oceanic plates. So it says run the model and take a snapshot that includes the cross section, and then you're going to draw arrows to show the directions the plates are moving. If you have any questions on that, let me know. It's pretty straightforward. You'll take a snapshot, and then you can use, maybe you can draw arrows using the line here. You can choose an arrow to draw the arrows on here, which way they're moving. Okay. Then describe the landforms and events that you see at this boundary. So what does that mean? Landforms would be like any mountains that you see forming. Events would be like earthquakes. Okay. Next. Notice that in the model, magma is shown as red. Okay, so you have molten rock rising up from the mantle to fill the space that forms as the plates move apart. So if you can imagine these plates moving apart, molten rock moves in to replace that. So that's new ocean ridge material. That's new mid-ocean ridge. So it says reset the model and rotate the planet. So you're looking at the boundary on the other side of the planet. And let it run and take a snapshot. When two plates are moving away from each other, what happens to the plate boundary on the other side? So describe what you see happen. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, restart. Let's restart. Okay. We're going to rotate it, and you'll see on the other side, they've conveniently put a little South America there, or a big South America, and click start. And so as the ocean is spreading on the one side, I'm going to reset the cross section. Let's just restart everything here real quick. And I'm going to go back down here just to recheck what we're supposed to do. We're going to take a snapshot of the boundary that forms the mountains, take a snapshot that shows the model and cross section. So one thing you're going to need to do is reset the cross section. I'm going to close the cross section. And then I'm going to tell it to draw a cross section here. Okay. Now, as you'll recall, when I play this, it's going to show on the other side of the Earth, the mid-ocean ridge forming. So if I turn this, I shouldn't have done that, sorry. Here, I'll do the cross section where I had it. I can see the cross section here. And then if I scroll down, you made a cross section, take a snapshot that shows the model and the cross section. Done. When two plates are moving away from each other at the mid-ocean ridge, what happens to the plate boundary on the other side of the plate? Describe what happened there. And then now we're going to take a look at the mid-ocean ridge. Again, compare what you observed in Tectonic Explorer to the geographic profile. So this is the mid-ocean ridge. This represents the area up here, not there, when we originally did it. So if I restart, I turn this back around. Sorry, get rid of that. All right, so that's showing this part. Don't look down here, that's still in the wrong place. I'll close the cross section. So for the mid-ocean ridge, it says take a snapshot of the geographic profile. So we're just going to click snapshot there. Where do you think the plate boundary is located? Place an X where you think the plate boundary exists. So you can do that by either using a text and making a text box or just drawing an X. I'll click done. Where does the plate boundary exist? And then why did you put the X where you did? Okay, that's it for this activity. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with the next page.